Are you doing it?
Oh.
Flip this open. Pull this bag out. In this bag right here, what you've got is your immediate travel backup for flights. You got your pants, you've got a new shirt, you've got new socks, and an overnight toothbrush, eye things, and shampoo to get you so you don't have to pull out your big shit.
I need to do that.
Goes right back in. It's easy access. Right into the top portion. Done.
What else?
What else? Well, the setup inside, because I'm a dope addict. When you're on a heavy dope. The way that I've set mine up is this. On this side over here, I have one bag. This includes all the dope that I need for the length of my trip.
Okay.
This trip is almost 3 months. Okay, it goes from July 22, and we come back like on October 6th or something like that. This includes all the dope for that period. Goes right there. Also goes with all the prescriptions and the declarations. Okay? That's all that really goes on this side. On this side right here. Active shorts.
What else do you have on the gray bag over here?
In the travel pack?
Oh, it's what it is.
Yeah, it fits right in there.
Oh, it looks like another picture.
Here we have active shorts, active shirts, and go to the beach if you've got time. Plus this pack, not to be confused with this medical pack. This is my 2-week medical pack. This is all the dope in my containers, ready to go, and there's a 2-week supply right here. Now, when we're done with this 2-week supply, we have to start pulling out of the supplemental bag. But we keep those separate, so we've got this right here. So like when I wake up tomorrow morning, I don't have to go through this whole big thing and start doing it. I'm gonna grab my little pill case and open it up. I'm gonna take my pills for the day and put it back in. And put it right back into my...
Can you tell me again what you have in that bag?
This bag? This bag is some just my shorts, extra shorts, extra shirts, outdoors.
How many?
I think probably 7 shorts and 4 shirts.
Are you kidding me?
No, that's all goes right in there.
7 shirts and 4
That's
shirts?
That's if this thing gets lost en route. We've got 3 connections going to a third world country. Very good chance that this never shows up. I've got shorts. Here, I've got all my medical stuff for sure. Here, I've got a toothbrush and some eye things, and I can wash my hair. I can go to the beach.